Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by acting quickly. Open Settings and go straight to Apps, then Mobile Legends. Tap Permissions and change location to deny or while using only. This stops continuous tracking. Once done, disable System GPS or switch location mode to device only to prevent coarse network fixes. Make sure to close Mlbb completely from recent apps so changes apply. These steps remove app-level access first, which is the fastest way to take location off without extra tools. Next, open Mobile Legends and find any in-app location or nearby player features. Disable them to stop game-side syncing. Then return to System Settings and revoke background location so Mlbb can't read GPS in background. Clear app cache and force stop the app to flush stored coordinates. If you use a VPN or mock location app, turn those off or uninstall them. Conflicting location services can override permissions. These combined steps ensure both the game and OS stop reporting your position. Finally, restart your device and reopen Mobile Legends to verify the location no longer appears. Test a match or social feature that previously showed your position. If the game still sees location, make sure developer options allow mock locations is off and remove any GPS spoofing apps. As a troubleshooting tip, revoke all permissions, reboot, then reapply only the minimal permissions Mlbb needs. If problems continue, uninstall and reinstall the game to clear persistent permission states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.